Verb is a word that describes an action, an event, or a state. It tells you what the subject of a sentence is doing. For this video, we will be talking about physical action verbs. Physical action verbs describe an action that someone or something physically does. Here are sample sentences that use physical action verbs and their Tagalog translations. Verb, act, kumilos. He knew how to act quickly. Alam niya kung paano kumilos agad. Verb, answered, sinagot. He answered all of my questions. Sinagot niya ang aking mga tanong. Verb, approve, aprobahan. Approve it if it's right. Aprobahan mo kung tama ito. Verb, arrange, inayos. The party was arranged weekly. Ang pagdiriwang ay inayos agad. Verb, break, sirain. Break the door to open it. Sirain mo ang pinto upang buksan ito. Verb, build, magtayo. You should build a house. Dapat kang magtayo ng bahay. Verb, buy, binili. Where did you buy that hat? Saan mo binili yang sombrero? Verb, colored, kinulayan. They colored the ball red. Kinulayan nila ang bola ng pula. Verb, cup, ubo. The dust made him cough. Alikabok ang nagpaubo sa kanya. Verb, create, lumikha. We need to create new rules. Kailangan natin lumikha ng bagong panuntunan. Verb, cry, umiyak. He sat down and started to cry. Umupo siya at nagsimulang umiyak. Verb, dance, sumayaw. He never learned how to dance. Hindi siya natuto kung paano sumayaw. Verb, describe, ilarawan. Describe to me how you did it. Ilarawan mo sa akin kung paano mo ito ginawa. Verb, draw, gumuhit. Did you draw this picture? Ikaw ba ang gumuhit ng larawan na ito? Verb, drink, umiinom. I don't drink coffee in the morning. Hindi ako umiinom ng kape sa umaga. Verb, eat, kumakain. I always eat vegetables. Palagi akong kumakain ng gulay. Verb, enter, pumasok. Enter the room tomorrow. Pumasok ka sa silid bukas. Verb, exit, lumabas. Exit the room later. Lumabas ka ng silid mamaya. Verb, imitate, gayahin. Imitate your mother's actions. Gayahin mo ang mga kilos ng iyong nanay. Verb, invent, invento. Invent a way to solve problems. Mag-imbento ka ng paraan para lumutas ng problema. Verb, jump, tumalon. He jumped down from the table. Tumalon siya mula sa lamesa. Verb, laugh, tumawa. He laughed because of his joke. Tumawa kami dahil sa kanyang biro. Verb, lies, kasinungalingan. He is full of lies. Punong-puno siya ng kasinungalingan. Verb, listen, makinig. Listen to me when I'm talking. Makinig ka sa akin pag nagsasalita ako. Verb, play, maglaro. Let the kids play. Pabayaan mong maglaro ang mga bata. Verb, read, magbasa. Tell the kids to read books. Sabihan mo ang mga bata na magbasa ng libro. Verb, run, tumakbo. Run toward the building. Tumakbo ka patungo sa gusali. Verb, scream, sumigaw. She screamed to get my attention. Sumigaw siya para makuha ang atensyon ko. Verb, see, nakikita. I could see her from afar. Nakikita ko siya mula sa malayo. Verb, shop, mamili. Shop around for food. Mamili ka sa paligid ng pagkain. verb, sing, kantahan. Sing the baby to sleep. Kantahan mo ang sanggol hanggang makatulog.